we shall now come down lower and work out the details. We shall see how this Vedanta can be man wherever he may be, wherever he stands, of every nation. For, if a religion cannot help country life, the national life, and the home life theory for the chosen few, religion, to help it is not of much use. It will remain in whatever condition he is, in servitude or in mankind, must be ready and able to help him freedom in the depths of degradation or on the heights of purity everywhere, equally, it should be able to come to his aid. The principles of Vedanta, or the ideal of religion, or whatever you may call it, will be fulfilled by its capacity for performing this great function. The ideal of faith in ourselves is of the greatest help to us. If faith in ourselves had been more extensively taught and practiced, I am sure a very large portion of the evils and miseries that we have would have vanished. Throughout the history of mankind, if any motive power has been more potent than another in the lives of all great men and women, it is that of faith in themselves. Born with the consciousness that they were to be great, they became great. Let a man go as low as possible, there must come a time down, when out of sheer desperation he will take an upward curve, and will learn to have faith in himself. But it is better for us that we should know it from the very first. Why should we have all these bitter experiences in order to gain faith in ourselves? We can see that all the difference between man and man is owing to the existence or non-existence of faith in himself. Faith in ourselves will do everything. I have experienced it in my own life, and am still doing so. And as I grow older, that faith is becoming stronger and stronger. He is an atheist who does not believe in himself. The old religions said that he was an atheist who did not believe in God. The new religion says that he is the atheist who does not believe in himself. But it is not selfish faith, because the Vedanta, again, is the doctrine of oneness. It means faith in all, because you are all. Love for yourselves means love for all, love for animals, love for everything, for you are all one. It is the great faith which will make the world better. I am sure of that. He is the highest man who can say with truth, I know all about myself. Do you know how much energy, how many powers, how many forces are still lurking behind that frame of yours? What scientist has known all that is in man? Millions of have passed since man first came here, and but one infinitesimal part of his powers has yet been manifested. Therefore, you must not say that you are weak. How do you know what possibilities lie behind that degradation on the within you? For behind you is the ocean of surface. You know but little of that which is infinite power and blessedness. This Atman is first to be heard of. Hear to yourselves day and night till it enters into day and night that you are that soul. Repeat it your very veins, till it tingles in every drop. Let the whole body be full of that one ideal of blood, till it is in your flesh and bone. I am the birthless, the deathless, the blissful soul. Think on it day and night, think on it till the omniscient, the omnipotent, ever glorious it becomes part and parcel of your life. Meditate upon it, and out of that will come work. Out of the fullness of the heart the mouth speaketh, and out of the fullness of the heart the hand worketh also. Action will come. Fill yourselves with the ideal. Whatever you do, think well on it. All your actions will be magnified, transformed, deified by the very power of the thought. If matter is powerful, thought is omnipotent. Bring this thought to bear upon your life. Fill yourselves with the thought of your almightiness, your majesty, and your glory.